All right, let's talk about the AI revolution. And look, this isn't some far-off sci-fi movie concept. It's happening right now. It's reshaping careers, companies, and pretty much our entire world. So we're going to break down exactly how you can navigate all this, starting today. Just imagine for a second getting a call from your boss at 3 a.m., and that's what they say. You know, that exact conversation, or something very much like it, is happening in boardrooms as we speak. This wave of AI disruption, it's already here, and it's getting personal. So really, the question isn't if it's going to affect you, it's about how you're going to respond when it does. Okay, let's get into the hard numbers because they are pretty wild. A report from Goldman Sachs predicts that AI is set to impact 300 million full-time jobs. That's worldwide in just the next 36 months. I mean, just let that number sink in. It's a massive, fundamental shift in how the world works. But, and this is a huge but, here's the twist. That very same report, it also forecasts that AI will create $7 trillion in new global wealth. So you've got this insane paradox, right? On one hand, massive disruption. On the other, absolutely immense opportunity. The real question is, which side of that line are you going to land on? So, first things first, we've got to get real and face what's happening. Let's take a hard look at the jobs that are already being completely transformed or even eliminated right now.
Customer service is right on the front lines. Take the fintech company Klarna. They basically replaced the work of 700 human agents with one AI chatbot. And the crazy part? Their resolution times plummeted from 11 minutes down to just 2. And get this, customer satisfaction actually went up.
Next up, basic content creation. AI can now churn out marketing copy, blog posts, SEO articles, you name it, it can do it, and at a massive scale. Think about that. One person who really knows their way around AI can now produce the same amount of work as a whole 5-person writing team used to. The legal world is also seeing a huge shakeup. An AI can scan and review millions of documents in a matter of hours. That's a task that used to take a whole team of junior lawyers weeks, maybe even months. So law firms don't need that big pyramid of associates anymore. What they need now are a few sharp minds who know how to tell the AI what to look for.
And yeah, you guessed it, roles like data entry and even translation are quickly becoming a thing of the past. The AI tools are just getting so good, they're nearly on par with humans. Companies like Duolingo have already started swapping out human contractors for AI.
So all of this points to this really powerful idea called the barbell effect. Imagine a barbell, right? On one end, you have the junior repetitive jobs. Poof, they're getting automated away. On the other end, you have the elite, high-level strategists who know how to command AI. Their roles are actually expanding. But that middle part, the bar connecting them, that's the mid-level jobs, and it's getting hollowed out. Being a specialist in the middle is suddenly a very dangerous place to be.
Okay, but it's not all doom and gloom, not even close. Because on the flip side of all this disruption, AI is creating this new class of hyperproductive people. They're calling them the 10X worker.
A perfect example is in radiology. An expert human radiologist, on their own, can spot cancer on a scan with about 88% accuracy, which is pretty good. But when you pair that same expert with an AI, that accuracy shoots up to 96.5%. See, the AI isn't kicking the doctor out the door. It's more like it's giving them a superpower. It amplifies their skill, and that leads to way, way better outcomes. And as these old job descriptions change, entirely new ones are being born. We're seeing these brand new career paths pop up. Things like AI prompt engineers or human AI interaction designers. I mean, who ever heard of those 5 years ago? Now they're becoming high-paying, critical roles. And this isn't just some small niche thing. The World Economic Forum predicts that AI is on track to create 97 million new jobs by 2025. So remember that scary 300 million number from before? Well, here's the other side of the coin. The point isn't whether there will be jobs, the point is whether you'll have the skills for the new ones. All right, let's pump the brakes for a second, because with all this power and opportunity comes some pretty serious risks. We have to be really clear-eyed about the potential downsides here, and they kind of fall into 4 big buckets. These are what you might call the 4 societal fault lines. First, there's inequality, a massive growing gap between people who know how to use AI and people who don't. Second, misinformation. What happens to trust when literally anything, video, audio, text, can be faked perfectly?
Third is concentration, a scary amount of power ending up in the hands of just a few giant tech companies. And finally, the big one, alignment. The risk that an AI does exactly what we tell it to do, but not what we actually mean, and things go sideways fast. Okay, we've seen the threat, we've seen the promise. Now for the most important part of this whole thing. What do you do about it? Let's talk about your personal action plan. How you can build a protective moat around your career starting now over the next 90 days. In a world where AI can do all the routine stuff, this is where being human becomes your superpower. We're talking about true AI fluency, not just using it, but understanding how it thinks. We're talking about judgment and taste, the ability to know what's good and what's not, emotional intelligence, to lead, to connect, to persuade. And finally, complex problem solving, the ability to tackle brand new problems that don't have an answer key. All right, here we go. Your 90-day game plan. Week 1, audit your entire job. Find the 20% of your work that AI could automate or make you 10 times better at and get the tools. By the end of month 1, you're not just playing around, you're mastering the specific AI tools for your industry. Month 2, you go from user to strategist. You start proposing pilot projects for your team, and by the end of month 3, you've become the go-to AI person. You've got a portfolio of real results that proves your value. You know, when you look back at history, every huge technological shift, the printing press, the internet, you name it, it presented everyone with a choice. And this moment right now is no different. We're all at a crossroads. So right now, you're basically standing in front of 3 doors, and you have to pick one. Door number 1 is denial. Just pretend it's all hype, it'll blow over, and, well, you'll probably get left behind. Door number 2 is fear. Panic, resist the change, and maybe, just maybe, you'll barely survive. And then there's door number 3, leverage. You choose to learn, to adapt, and to use this incredible new thing to thrive. So I'll leave you with this one simple question to think about. Because here's the secret. This whole AI revolution, it isn't something that's just happening to you. It's a tool. It's a new power waiting for you to pick it up and decide what to build with it. So the question is, will you shape the change or will you be shaped by it? The choice really is yours.